And if you can begin to see without a doubt, it's a given, it's going to become a Cat 4. Winds of 130, gusts to 150.
Start her up. First startup of the day. Yes, sir. That's right, guys. Your boy finally got to Tome. As you saw in the last video, I just slapped it on. So today is like the first official drive with it on the car. So let me let the Z warm up for a little bit. We're gonna head out. We're gonna link up with the homies, and on the way there, I'll give you guys kind of a backstory of the hurricane situation, what's gonna happen, and if I'm gonna be okay or not. So let's get it. So guys, we are on the road. So let me give you guys a little bit of a backstory before we get to the highway. Right now there's not a lot of people on the road, of course. There's a lot of cops though, so I gotta be like low-key, a little bit careful. But so what I do know is it is the 29th today of August, and I'm in Florida. So if you guys are sub to the channel, you know that I live in Florida. But apparently tomorrow, August 30th, there's gonna be like, I think like 1 or 2 hurricanes. There's a lot of cops out right now. There's supposed to be like a couple hurricanes hitting near my area. So pretty much I'm kind of in a gray zone right now. The hurricane is not going to hit my exact area 100%. But if you guys know how these things work, last second, you know, the hurricane can change its course and it can potentially hit my area. So it's kind of semi-close. So right now I'm just out. I had to run a couple errands, get like some water, fill up my car with gas. You know, like during a hurricane in Florida, those are the type of things that become scarce. What the fuck is this guy doing, bro? What are you doing, bro? Get off your fucking phone, dog. I'm going 25 on an on-ramp. What the hell? Don't be like this guy. But it's just important, you know, you guys kind of be responsible, do your due diligence, and, you know, plan ahead. But yeah, right now, while I'm running these errands, I figured I'd link up with some of the homies. Some of the homies hit me up and they're free, like Adam, maybe Jaden with his RCF, he's gonna pull up, Adam with his 350Z. But yeah, we'll see what we get into. I mean, I just got this Tome exhaust on, so maybe we'll do like some flybys, shoot some reels, whatever. Just kind of kick it. This guy freaking spitting coal at me. We're about to pull up. Fucking light taking forever. What the fuck? Alright, let's find Adam right now. That's the mission. I'm gonna bust a little lefty right here. Guys, it's crazy. There's nobody on the road right now. Adam? That's not Adam. The fuck? Let's pull up. Yo. Dude, there's nobody on the road right now.
I know, it's crazy.
I got here in like, what, 7 minutes? That's crazy, bro. VQ owner, be like. Obviously, as you can tell, we're losing sunlight and it is raining a little bit more, so we won't have time for flybys. But I think what we're gonna do instead, me and Adam,
you are over the speed limit.
Shut the fuck up. I think what me and Adam are gonna do instead is we're gonna hit up maybe some warehouses, maybe swing the Z's a little bit. Fuck. I think that's kind of the move. So, dude, your car looks good on the GoPro with the weather. Looks pretty. Like, I'm kind of bummed that we didn't have like we couldn't get rollers. You know what I mean? Because your car looks good right now. What the fuck? All right, guys. So we made it to an undisclosed location. Enough room to drift as much as we want. So what we're gonna do now is I'm jumping in Adam's car. What's up, Adam?
What's up?
What?
It doesn't want to kick out.
I don't know why. Try to rip your e-brake maybe. I don't know. Oh shit. Dude, your car's pretty loud, dude. We could always... Oh shit. Oh. All right, hopefully nothing flies around. How's the GoPro angle? Does it look like
Just moved up a little.
like there?
Yeah.
You can see like the shifter and all right. Cool. Sloppy. I mean, it's harder to control like when it's raining. I clicked second to try to see what it would do. It's like it's in between like wanting to hook up and it's like slippery, and if you gas it a lot you just spin out.
Yeah.
And it's kind of like you have to find this happy medium, but it's fun. Yeah guys, that first time it was a little bit sloppy. I haven't done this in a while, let alone in the rain, but the car kicked out really good. I'll put the windows down for this one. Oh, I gotta turn traction off, imagine. Hey, turn off. Okay, we good?
Yep.
Okay. So guys, to close out the video, me and Adam, we just stopped at the gas station. My car needs gas. From swinging it, you lose a lot of gas, surprisingly, but Adam's just chilling for now. Probably shoot some like gas station videos real quick. But then after that, we're gonna go home. And apparently this hurricane's supposed to come tomorrow. We'll see. But yeah, me and Adam, we're thinking tomorrow, if it's not like insane, we might try to take our Z's out in the hurricane, get some content. Would be pretty fun. So yeah, with all that said, guys, thank you for watching another video. I truly appreciate it. I hope you guys stay safe during this, you know, crazy weather in Florida. I'm gonna probably close out the video here. GoPro just got a little wet, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.